My name is Ayde. I am with the Passenger Safety Program, and we are going to be showing you the Joie Rue. So with this seat being a rear-facing infant car seat, we want to make sure that we are keeping these harness at level to baby's shoulder or just a little bit below. So the way that we would do it is first we would just place baby inside of the carrier. Make sure he doesn't sit on the buckle. And what we're trying to look for is to see that once the straps are over their shoulder, that we see that it's coming right at level to the shoulder or even just a little bit below. There is a way to reroute it, and it is a manual rethread harness, so we would have to go towards the back of the car seat to reroute it. This is just what it looks like when you just buckle it in, and as you can see, it's very, very loose. So to tighten it, we're gonna just pull on this strap down here, and you'll notice that that chest clip is moving up just a little bit more. So it's okay to leave it at the tummy for now until we are ready to leave. And we'll do a quick pinch test to make sure that those straps are nice and snug against baby's body. Once it passes that pinch test, and that's when we are going to move this chest clip all the way to the middle of baby's chest, right at armpit level. You can even pull from the hips if you feel that you have a little more slack to get rid of. And just keep pulling very gently until it's ready to go. Alright, this is just going to show you guys how to reroute the harness because it is a rethread, like you have to manually do it. We will locate the splitter plate, which is where these straps are connecting to. We have already loosened it, and so now I'm going to do this one at a time just so I don't lose any parts, and that way I can make sure that everything is nice and straight, it doesn't twist up on me. I've already disconnected one. I'm going to make sure that I am coming from right here, locating the next slot. You're going to pull it through. Grab that splitter plate one more time, open the loop, and then just put it right back in place. And make sure that it does go underneath that little hook to make sure it doesn't come out of place. You would just repeat the process for the second strap, and once you are done, you will then follow the directions of making sure that baby looks good, is at level to his shoulder or below, and then you will continue to tighten the harness as needed.
Okay, so now we're gonna work with the Rue base so that we can attach the base, install the base, and then we can get that carrier that Ayde already showed you guys on top of the base. So first things first, we do have this level indicator here that we're going to be using. If you take a look at that, you want to make sure that it's in the baby blue for 0 to 3 months and it's in the darker blue for 3 months and up. You do have this adjuster here that you can adjust to different level positions, but for the sake of this video, we're going to stick to the baby blue. We're going to show you guys how to install with the seatbelt. So I'm going to open this little door here, open it up like that, and we're going to be using the seatbelt. So this car seat base does have a lock off. So I'm going to route it through nice and slow. Make sure it's straight all the way through. And I'm going to buckle on the other side. I'm not going to lock this retractor up here. I want to pull off some of this extra slack, but I don't want to pull so much that this lock off won't function. So I'm going to pull some out, but still give it a little bit of room to bend the seatbelt here. And so then I'm just going to push down, and I'm going to do the 1-inch test here at the belt path to see if I installed this tight enough. It's not moving more than 1 inch, so I know that's tight enough. So now that we've installed that base, we're ready to attach our carrier to the base. So we're just gonna bring it over here. We wanna click it in. Once you hear that audible click, you know you're good. I'll kind of give it a little bit of a shake so that I know that it's installed correctly.
This car seat allows you to keep the carry handle in either the carry position or the travel position while you're using it in the vehicle. These are labeled A and C in this photo from the manual. You should not, however, use the convenience or travel position, which will be labeled as B and D.
You just want to make sure that if you have your doubts about anything, you double check the manual. All of the information that we got for how to install with the seatbelt, with the lock off, how to harness our baby, where to put the carry handle is all available in your instruction manual.